Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Trunab Rolling Medical Equipment Storage Bag, a must-have for nurses, doctors, EMTs, and EMS professionals. This versatile bag is designed to keep your essential medical tools organized and easily accessible, featuring multiple compartments and pockets tailored for first aid kits and other crucial equipment. Its durable construction ensures that it can withstand the rigors of daily use, while the rolling design offers effortless mobility, making it perfect for those on the go. The bag's ergonomic handle and sturdy wheels allow for smooth transportation, even in the most demanding environments. With its sleek and professional appearance, the Trunab bag not only meets the practical needs of healthcare professionals but also adds a touch of style to their gear. Whether you're responding to emergencies or managing routine tasks, this storage bag is an invaluable companion in delivering efficient and effective care. Stay tuned for more product insights, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest updates. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.